Introduced in 1899, Pall Mall aimed at the upper class with its premium image and innovative designs, including the King's Eyes format launched in 1939. As competition in the cigarette market heightened, memorable slogans like Winston's prompted shifts in brand popularity and market shares throughout the decades. Chesterfield carved a niche for itself with innovative packaging and marketing strategies. By blending Turkish and Virginia tobacco, it gained traction through targeted advertising campaigns. The launch of filtered fighting cigarettes in 1954 signified a pivotal shift in consumer preferences towards healthier smoking options, mirroring broader industry trends of the time. Benson and Hedges Deluxe distinguished itself with high-quality cigarettes, earning a reputation for freshness and luxury. However, market challenges led to a notable decline in prominence. The introduction of Kent Micronite's high-tech filter promised health benefits, but contained asbestos, highlighting the dangers of marketing innovations without adequate safety measures. Old Gold successfully targeted young audiences in the 1950s through innovative radio and television advertising, which played a crucial role in establishing its market presence. True cigarettes stood out in the 70s and 80s for their reduced tar and nicotine options, catering to health-conscious smokers. Their unique recessed filter marked a notable innovation in cigarette design. Bel Air cigarettes emerged in 1959 as a menthol option, appealing to consumers seeking a refreshing smoking experience. Yet, they faced challenges as consumer preferences shifted, leading to declining menthol sales by the late 80s. Merit's marketing strategy focused on a positive name and low tar content, aligning with the era's health concerns. This approach allowed it to rapidly gain market share upon release. Launched in 1963, Lark cigarettes featured a distinctive charcoal filter designed for a smoother smoking experience. Nonetheless, they ultimately struggled to establish a significant market presence in the U.S. Virginia Slims debuted in the 1980s, drawing inspiration from earlier slim cigarette trends. They successfully targeted women with a sophisticated marketing campaign, reinforcing the trend of chic cigarette design. Eve cigarettes were marketed for their elegance, boasting floral designs and a premium price of 85 cents per pack. This focus on beauty mirrored the societal trends of the time. Saratoga cigarettes gained popularity due to their extraordinary 120 millimeters length, appealing to smokers looking for a unique experience. However, their impracticality ultimately led to a decline in demand. The Herbert Taryn 101 brand introduced a refined tobacco blend but ultimately faded into obscurity, succumbing to increasing health concerns and a societal shift towards healthier alternatives in the 1980s. With their launch in the 1970s, Magna cigarettes positioned themselves as a premium brand offering high-quality smoking experiences at an accessible price. Despite initial popularity, they vanished from the market by the 1980s. Brown and Williamson introduced Life cigarettes in 1948, using catchy slogans that ironically suggested longevity despite health risks. Discontinued in 1974, they reflected changing attitudes toward smoking. Philip Morris rolled out Commanders in 1960, aiming for a sophisticated image with menthol-flavored filter cigarettes. However, they were discontinued as public awareness of health risks grew, now remembered nostalgically.